Hi everyone, today we'll go talk about the supermarket simulator game. So our presentation, we have six different parts: introduction, system overview, system architecture, data design, component design, and human interface design. So briefly, our game is designed for both entertainment and educational purposes. There's no prior experience needed, and it will help players learn how to manage a business. So here's the objective of the presentation, which includes three different points: design, illustration, interface description, reference for development team, and client approval. So talk about the system overview. This software design document presents the proposed software and system designs for the development of the supermarket simulation game, addressing the client's requirement for an engaging and captivating gaming experience. About the use case diagram, we have different use case. The first thing is view leaderboard, which users will view the top point he achieved. And the prior condition for this use case is that user must log in the game before. The second is synchronization, which is user loads his last game and all settings are set to their last state. And also user have to log in the game before loading a checkpoint. The third thing is watch advertisement. User will watch an advertisement video for like gaining more bonus points, and due to its simplicity, there's no prior condition needed. The fourth thing is change settings, in which users will change the settings according to his preferences, such as like increasing the sound, reducing the background, and also there's no prior condition needed. And the last but not least, play game, in which user enters the gameplay. User presses on the play button on the home page, and system will change the like welcome scene into the gameplay scenario, and user will start interacting with objects in the gameplay. So here is a core gameplay in which we will have four main functionalities: getting news, importing product, setting price of the product, and create an event, in which particularly player can make an event such as advertisement sale to captivate more customers. For game mode, we introduce two different game mode. The first thing is anonymous mode, and the second thing is playing with an account. If player want to play with an account, they have to log in before performing any operation. And also with an account, users can save their top performance, which will appear later on the leaderboard. So about the system architecture, we decompose the system architecture into two different components. The first thing is client side, and the second thing is server side. Client side, we have the gameplay manager, main menu managers, and game end managers. While server side, we have authentication, personal cloud storage, and also a global storage. So here is how data flow in our system. Player will have some data or request to the system, and system will update it into the database. And when getting the request, database will return the highest score list and later on feedback to the player. So structure decomposition diagram depict that our Tycoon gameplay is divided into two groups. The first thing is gameplay, which contains shop, customers, and event. The second thing is environment, which is grouped by database manager, audio manager, and UI manager. So how about the data design? So here is the data dictionary for all of the main data we use in the game, and also its corresponding data type, description, and the range of value. We have the checkpoint name and timestamp here for like saving the checkpoint and saving the settings of the player. We have the user high score, user money, and many other settings for the gameplay, like for loading the game and make the gameplay at each time differentiated. So about the component design, we have some main component: events, playing level, products, customers, and login system. For human interface design, we have something like game controls in which player can choose to see the stage information, news, difficulty increase, which allows system to a like progressively challenging experience for users. Level choosing allow players to choose between different levels in the game level score. And store upgrading allow players to choose to upgrade their stores, new kinds of items, products, or events will occur to make the game more engaging. So here is some screen images. Here is a welcome screen for the gameplay. Here's a setting screen. Here is a gameplay scene with like different products in here with different game level, progressively with the difficult level. And here is a product selling price in which player can adjust them. Also, we have the news for events and for the managers, which replicates the real world, like financial index. So that's all of our document presentation. Thank you all for watching. And if you have any question, please ask us and we'll try our best to help you understanding.